dying. Yeah! Come on, hold it, hold it! Fuck yeah!
That's awesome.
Yellow flag. I think that, doesn't that mean that they have to slow down because something happened? Yeah, they're missing one. Who are they missing?
The red one.
No, that red one's still there.
No, there was another. Oh, the red one's gone.
I don't even see it. That's not it over there. I don't think it's any of them over there. I don't see it.
Oh, come on, man. That's pretty good, too. The green one was in the lead.
Well, at least he's in the lead still. Green light, go! Or maybe it was just some kind of, you know, cool down thing. Oh wait, I just realized this thing has zoom. He's slowing down. I like how we're calling him Greeny just because of his lights.
I know. Oh, come on.
Go, 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 go.
He needs to stop slowing down.
Well, he kind of has to. If he would do what the green one actually did, like right there. Well, he was in first.
That sucks.
That was close. If it wasn't for whatever the hell that yellow light was for. Because I was last lap.
Yeah, but shouldn't they go all the way? What's he doing?
They had to go in for the little RPM test.
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
Oh, this is the last one. Or this is
No. He's one of the losers, I think.
Oh.
And he stole the flag. I like how he just yanks it away.
Like, give me that.
I think they must know each other. Oh, I didn't even notice the camera was moving over when I was waving. I have a feeling that one of the green lights and that one there, I think they were either a couple or married or something. I like the sound of that one. I still really like the one with the green lights. Wonder what happened.
That's the bros.
Maybe.
congratulations, guys. And Melissa, she started off the track. Congratulations to her, her second feature win for the national series.